Envision Credit Repair Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this Envision Credit Repair Review, where I'll cover the program's features, its purpose, and who can benefit the most. Links to the product are in the description if you want to learn more or sign up. Envision Credit Repair is a service designed to help individuals repair their credit by addressing inaccuracies, errors, and other issues affecting their credit scores. This service is ideal for those who feel overwhelmed by the complexities of credit repair or who lack the time and expertise to manage disputes with creditors and credit bureaus on their own. One of the standout features of Envision Credit Repair is its personalized approach. After signing up, clients receive a detailed credit analysis that identifies the specific items impacting their credit scores. From there, Envision's team of credit experts creates a tailored plan to dispute errors, negotiate with creditors, and improve your overall credit profile. The service focuses on removing inaccurate late payments, charge-offs, collections, and other negative marks, which can significantly boost your credit score over time. Envision also provides clients with tools and educational resources to better understand credit management. This includes guidance on maintaining healthy financial habits, such as keeping credit utilization low, paying bills on time, and avoiding unnecessary debt. These tips are invaluable for clients who want to not only fix their credit, but also build a solid financial future. The service is suitable for individuals struggling with credit issues, such as denials for loans, credit cards, or mortgages due to low scores. It's also a great fit for those recovering from financial hardships like bankruptcy or foreclosure. The monthly pricing is competitive, making it accessible for many, and there are no long-term contracts, so you can cancel anytime. If you're ready to take the first step toward improving your credit with the support of experienced professionals, Envision Credit Repair is a solid choice. Check the links in the description for more details and start your journey to better credit today.